Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: battery charged, sensor cap removed, and both lens and body contact points clean. Power off the camera. This prevents electronic errors, then remove caps. Once done, align the lens index mark with the camera mark. Insert the bayonet straight in. You should feel even pressure as you rotate the lens until it clicks. That click means the mount is mechanically locked. Make sure the lens sits flush. Don't force it if it resists. Once the lens is mounted, secure it by engaging any mechanical lock or align tabs and gently wiggle to confirm stability. Power the camera on and configure focus mode. Use AF for quick work or switch to manual focus for precise macro control. This explains why you might prefer manual for focus stacking. Make sure aperture is set as desired. On some lenses, you control aperture in camera. Finally, place the camera on a tripod and finish by taking a series of test shots. Focus, then magnify live view 5 to 10 times to verify sharpness. Make small focus or aperture adjustments between frames and use a remote shutter or 2-second timer to eliminate shake. Review images at 100% on camera or computer to ensure edge-to-edge sharpness. This is why bracketed tests matter. If you see lens communication errors or wobble, power off, remove and reseat the lens. Clean electronic contacts with a blower and microfiber, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.